Your vision sets the stage for tomorrow. How can we realize our ideas and bring visions to life? Envisioning the possibilities of tomorrow requires more than just imagination. It demands the power to turn ideas into reality. Putting innovations to test before they are even built. Empowering people to seamlessly create, build, and operate. And pushing the boundaries of possibility. Feel the power and speed of progress. And stay one step ahead of the competition. Experience the impact of your solutions, unlocking new possibilities for a brighter future for everyone.
Status check. Command on intel.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition.
Reaching the stars before even a single rocket has been built. Revolutionize your engineering and design workflows. Break limitations to experience the highest quality immersion. Simplify and scale deployment globally to reach higher levels. Unleash the power of XR and see tomorrow today.